8 mistakes to avoid while making masala tea. Brew better chai. 1. Go for loose tea. It infuses more flavor than tea bags. 2. Overboiling evaporate essence. Instead simmer to preserve taste. 3. Add equal parts of tea and milk to create a creamy blend. The perfect partnership. 4. Raw milk's natural fats add richness. Boiled milk can be a tad flat. 5. Measure spices. Right to dance in perfect harmony. Every spice matters. Simply go for Ambe's Kitchen Premium Chai Masala, a perfect blend. 6. Add sugar at the end to keep your tea golden, not dark. 7. Use fine mesh to ensure no spice bits. Sip smoothly. 8. Use soft water to let the flavors shine. Hard water dulls the brew. Order Ambe's Kitchen Premium Chai Masala now and see the magic. Link in the description.